exposing the secret to a smooth running Volvo truck. It's all about the oil change. First things first, gather your tools, fresh engine oil, the right oil filter, a drain pan, wrench set, funnel and some rags. Got them all? Great! Now warm up your engine. Warm oil flows better. Locate the oil drain plug underneath and slide your drain pan into place. Loosen the plug with your wrench and let the old oil drain out completely. While that's draining, it's filter time. Use a filter wrench if needed and remove the old oil filter. Apply a thin layer of oil to the gasket on your new filter. Screw it on hand tight and give it a quarter turn more. Once the old oil's drained, replace the drain plug securely. Now grab your funnel and pour in the fresh engine oil. Check your manual for the right amount. That's it, folks. Your Volvo truck is ready to hit the road again. Like and subscribe for more handy truck tips.